Making weird beats, trying to match my personality. Eccentric as fuck, you'll never rip that person out of me. Fuck you if you're doubting me. A shade bringing rain clouds and seeds sprouting out of me. Growing out these roots and these dreams keep on flowering. Psychoanalyze all our lives into analogies. We just some complex creatures in this skin that holds a galaxy. Fuck all of the fallacies. You and I've been perfect since Pangea split the 7 seas. Bring the change, can't get stuck in the past. I keep my eyes on the road and keep my foot on the gas. And this ship in a race like I'm dipping from class. Fuck, I might be the slowest, but I ain't coming in last. I'm here to flip the game on its ass. Yelling fuck the mumble rap, let's bring the boom bap back. Running last, put some soul on the track. I'll never master the craft, cause every piece of shit I make best be better than last, damn.
Don't stress the art, I'm trying not to think straight. The coffin fits a lot of us underground, they cannot hear me. I'll stick to my strongest point and you stick to your forte. My heart isn't beating right, it's a lot to say what I think.
But it's all this on my mind and I'm trying to take some time off. Grinder working overtime, just trying to take my mind off anything that's real for the minute I'll be signed off. What's your biggest fear when you find that all the time's gone? Live every day like it's stolen, we ain't defeated nor broken. We different pieces of puzzle that'll forever be growing. Lay the truth on the table, you know I always been open. And I was born with the filter, but I rolled up and smoked it. Way too often the passion becomes a coffin. No confidence in yourself, so your dreams they get forgotten. But I've been busy plotting and working on my new motto. It go like fuck later and fuck paper. This money ain't real and these excuses getting faker. I'm almost to my 20s, life steady moving forward. Working on myself, homie, what you working towards? I was sitting duck, now I'm 1 foot out the door. And I'm giving you my luck, cause I don't really need no more.
I've been here for all my life, waiting to make a change. Space between our human time puts pressure on the game. Open up your eyes, open up your mind. Stop your predispositions. You're going to be alright. We're all going to be just fine.
Long days, even longer nights. Living backwards, hope I wrong my rights. But that's just life. You learn from mistakes and corrections. Each failure made brings you back to the lesson. The happiness you seek ain't nothing but perspective. Living in fear, too scared of rejection. No progress made, you slowly regressing. Too fucking stubborn to see all these blessings. It's never too late to change your direction.